Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. If you can hear a buzzing sound in the background, I do apologise, but the fan's on and it is absolutely boiling today. So you have to excuse that. The first coin in this animal coin hunt, which has been designated coin hunt animal ACH 47, is like 25 cents from Canada. On the reverse, sorry, on the obverse, we've got the late Queen, and on the reverse side, of course, we have the country name, the year, and the caribou, or moose occasionally as it's known. The mintage for this mintage for this 2016 coin is 106,880,000. A huge mintage. The second coin is from Cyprus. It's a 20-cent coin from 1983. On this side you've got the coat of arms of Cyprus. I think you also have the year, don't you? I think you also have the year on that side. It's 1983 coin. It's a 20-cent coin, as indicated. Oh, get the pointy thing. As indicated there. We have a bird and also a fruit, maybe either a fruit from the tree of some description. From what the description is, it's an olive, as the bird is balanced on an olive branch, and the bird is a pied wheat ear bird. This coin has a mintage of 10 million. This coin is from Barbados. It's a $1 coin from 2009. On this side you have the country, the year, the coat of arms, and two tridents. The two tridents are either side of the coat of arms. So as you can see, the coat of arms here, whoops, the tridents are here, one's here and one is on this side. On the reverse of this Barbadian coin is the value and a flying fish. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Next we have the first coin of two that follow each other from a country called Iceland. Here we have we have a circle cut into four quadrants. These hold four of the folk heroes. There's Bagassi the giant, Dreki the dragon, a bull, which I think is Grimald. I can't remember what the eagle is called. On the reverse of this this 5 krona coin is two dolphins. You have the value and two dolphins breaching the water, porpoising, as they say. Oh, excuse me. The mintage for this 2008 coin is 1,900,000. Do excuse me, I have a bit of the snuffles from being, you know, in a hay fever-ish conditions. Again we have, instead of a silver, we have a bronze or brass-like coloured coin. This is 100 krona from the year 2011. It's a quartered and I've just recognised it from the from some writing that I had down here, which I didn't see when I did the last coin. It's the four spirits, and it's Grimgalu, the bull, Gramar, the eagle, Dreki, the dragon, and Bagasi, the giant. On the reverse of this coin, which is the animal, is a lumpfish, and the value of 100 krona. The mintage for this 2011 coin is 3 million pieces. The next coin is from Kenya, and this originally was going to be in an African coin hunt, so I don't know how it got into this package, but here we go. This is a 1 shilling coin from 2018, and on this side you've got the country coat of arms. You've also got the year and also the name of the country. If we look at the reverse, this is a 1 shilling, and it has the value and a giraffe, which is something you don't always see on coins. I think I've only ever seen 2 coins with giraffes on, and this is one of them. This is a Kenyan coin, as I say. There are no mintage figures available for this 2018 coin. The next one is a new country for me. This is 20 escudos from 1994, and it's from a country called Cape Verde. I've heard of the country before. On this side you have the value, the year, and a pyramid within a circle. This 1994 coin on the other side has a seabird in flight, and that bird is a Cape Verde series of this coin is from a series of coins from Cape Verde showing birds, and this particular bird is a brown booby. I'll have to look into trying to see if I can get hold of the full set of those then. That brown booby coin has no mintage figures are available, so I would imagine it's a common coin. This next coin is from Zambia. It's a 5 nagi. Sorry, is it from Indonesia? My fault. Indonesia. It's a 50 rupiah from 1998. On this side we have the coat of arms of the Bank of Indonesia plus the year. On the reverse we have the value of 50 rupiah at the top, and we have a Komodo dragon. This 1998 coin has an extremely low mintage of just 150,000. It's less than the... It's less than... Oh, it's less than the Kew Gardens. Just. This next coin is from Zambia, and it's a 5 ngwee, and that's NGWEE. And it's from the year 2000. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country's name, and the year. On the reverse of the coin we have the value, and we have a bird on a branch, and this bird is an indigo bird. That's INDIGOBIRD. There is no mintage figures available for this coin. And the final coin in this coin hunt is a 10 fuller coin. It's an aluminium coin from Hungary from 1998. On this side we have the value. On the reverse we have another piece plus the year. This coin has a mintage of 48,015,000. If you've enjoyed this hunt, can you please give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, can you please think about doing so? And if you do believe I deserve it, please subscribe. I am looking to improve my subscription level again this year. I'm aiming for 250, and I have early 180s towards, and we're in the middle of June. And I'm hoping for 250 by the beginning of 2024. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Thank you for watching until the end, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.